Unfortunately, not a lot of Malaysians know about this. As of now, the long-tailed macaque species got reclassified as endangered species. A lot of Malaysians, they tend to think that, I always see them in my area though. I don't think so they are endangered. So why do we tend to see them in our area or any other areas in Malaysia is because they are losing their habitat. Like green spaces are decreasing slowly. Why are they endangered? One is habitat encroachment. Another one more is the long-tailed macaques are used for wildlife trafficking. And why are they used for wildlife trafficking? They are used in the biomedicine science, which is a very controversial thing, but I'm not going to dive deeper into that.
When people live next to the forest area, we leave our dustbin open. We plant our fruit trees, so they see us as a easy food source. So that's why sometimes there's a negative interaction. Their behavior depends on our reaction as well. So if we become aggressive towards them, they have to defend themselves. So sometimes it can come across as aggressive. They're supposed to eat only like small calorie of food in one time, and they have to travel like all day to find food and then rest a bit and then find food again. But because of the accessibility of food is very high around urban area, so they now only stay in one place and then just eat all the excess food.
A lot of people don't understand these animals. When there is a lack of understanding, there would be some sort of hatred. When there is hatred, there would be a lot of action that does not help both the wildlife and also human. One extremes are the ones that they don't like macaques or monkeys at all. And that could be from giving them poison or even shooting them. So that is one different extreme. Another extreme that I would like to highlight, they tend to think that feeding the monkeys would make them feel better. The food that we tend to feed them is high in energy. And with the food that we give them, it also induces a lot of disease and health risks that would harm their population.
We have to protect the urban forest especially and the habitat of the wildlife. I think it's very important why we need to actually coexist with the wildlife. Then in Bangladesh, it already been extinct. So it can happen in Malaysia as well because of the habitat loss if we do not take care of the forest or urban forest around us.